We know blogging has changed. You can now create blogs in few minutes using AI. But the question is, will it help you rank higher on Google? What if you had a tool that didn't just write for you, but can actually help you think, plan, and create blogs like an expert? Hi, I'm Jill from Gravity Write, and today I'm going to show you how you can create high-quality SEO-friendly blogs using AI. We are going to see a full step-by-step process of blog creation, including the title and outline generation, writing the content, and even publishing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. To create our blog, we are going to use a tool from Gravity Write called AI Blog Writer. This tool can actually transform the way you write blogs. Here, you just need to enter the topic of your blog and you will get a full SEO optimized blog created for you. So let us see how this actually works. Just go to gravitywrite.com, go to AI Blog Writer, and then click on Write a New Blog. You will be taken to the tool. We are going to generate our blog in 4 simple steps. The first step is to choose the topic of your blog. If you already have the topic, you can enter that here. If you don't have a topic in mind, you can let AI give you topic suggestions. So just click on Suggest Blog Topics with AI. Now, just enter the niche or the focus keyword you want to create blog on. Now, click on Suggest Blog Topics. As you can see, it has suggested relevant topics for you to create the blog on. Just select the one you like and it will appear here. Once you have got the topic, you can move on to the next step, which is creating an outline. But first, let's understand why should you create an outline. By creating an outline, you have an overall authority on how you want your blog to turn out to be, as you can make some personalized changes to it and create a much more unique blog for you. Alright, now in this tool, we have multiple ways to create an outline based on your needs. If you click here, you will find 4 options. Let's look at all of them one by one. First option is creating an outline using AI. If you want to create a blog on topics like how to write a book or best recipes for weight loss, you can use this option. Second is get an outline from Google search results. In this option, it will automatically fetch all the headings or outline from the top ranking blogs on Google and create a much more refined blog for you. Third option is creating an outline using real-time information. You can use this option if you want to create a blog on any recent events like what changes occurred after Trump took office, as it will go onto the web and gather all the current information it could get on your topic and create a much more updated blog for you. The last option is get an outline from URL. You can use this option if you have a competitor blog to target and create a better blog than your competitor. We will see how to generate the outlines on each of these options later in this video. But first, let's see how to create an outline using real-time information. You can use this option to create a blog on any recent topics. Say that there was an iPhone that just launched yesterday and you want to create a blog on that. AI will not have this recent knowledge. So you can use this option and our tool will go onto the web and gather all the information that it could on this topic by reading all the blogs available on the topic. This way you will be able to make a blog on any recent topics containing all the updated information. Let's see this with an example. We are going to create a blog on top laptops under Rs 50,000 in 2025. Now, select the content source as create outline using real-time information. Click on create outline. As you can see, the outline is generated for us. If there was a new laptop that launched, that information will also be included in the blog because this tool will do a quick Google search and gather all the information that it could to create your outline. Now, if you click on this icon and then go to settings, you will find the keyword it used to search on the web and create this section's outline for you. This keyword will be different for the next section. You can make various changes in this step to customize the blog according to your needs. The first change that you can do is to change the title of your blog. It's the feature that helps you improve your title. Just click on this icon and it will suggest some title variations. If you go through them, you can see that this title variations are much more intriguing and it can bring a sense of curiosity in your reader's mind, making them click on your article. So just select the one you like and your title will be changed. Amazing, right? Now here you can edit the outlines further to make it much more personalized. Like you can change the orders of the sections. You can also add your own heading by clicking on Add H2 section and add related subheadings by clicking on the plus icon here. If you don't want to include any section, you can click on this icon and the section will be deleted for you. Now, if you want to add something from your knowledge for a particular section, you can click on this icon and enter what all you want to include in this section. Now, in the next step, when we will generate the section, it will include all the information that you provided in the particular section. Alternatively, you can also paste your URL here and click on fetch. The content from the URL will be automatically fetched and will be taken as a reference to generate this section. You also get some additional settings like setting the voice for your blog and selecting words per section. You can create a very long blog if you select 3000 words per section, or you can create a shorter one by selecting 50 words per section. If you have done any keyword research, you can paste them over here or click on generate keywords with AI and the SEO keywords will be generated for you. The last option you get in this tool is to select the image source. So whether you want your images to be stock images from the web or AI generated images. We recommend you to go with AI generated images because you will not find this anywhere else on the web. It will be uniquely created for your blog. Once all is done, click on continue and in the next step you will be taken to the actual blog generation. Here on the left side you can see your outline. Now you can start generating each section individually or you can generate the full blog at once. Let's do that. Click on generate all. As you can see, we have got our blog ready, including the introduction and conclusion. All the images are also generated. Let's look at the first image. Click here. You can see the image that it has generated. It looks pretty realistic and the words are also spelled correctly. Amazing, right? On the left side, you will find the total word count of your blog. If you want, you can make changes to the blog at this step also. Like, if you want to increase a particular section's length, you can do that by clicking here. Select the section length and click on save and generate. The section length will be regenerated for you. In the same manner, you can make further changes to the blog if you want. Once all is done, click on preview and export. As you can see, all the contents and images are combined in a very presentable manner. You can also notice the blog contains tables and lists. This makes your blog easier to read and understand, hence increasing your readers' engagement. Alright, once your blog is ready, let's move on to the final step, which is to publish your blog. You can publish your blog in two ways. The first way is to copy the entire blog from here and paste it. The second and the most easiest way is to directly publish the blog from GravityWrite. For this, you have to connect your WordPress website with your GravityWrite account. You can watch this video to see how it works. The link is in the description. We are going to publish the blog directly. So just select WordPress in the drop-down menu and click on Export to WordPress. Your domain name will appear here. Select the status of your blog, whether you want to publish it right away or keep it as a draft or schedule it for future. Let's click on Publish, then click on Import to WordPress. You will get blog post URL and your blog is successfully published on your website. If you don't want to publish it directly, you can download it as a PDF and share it with your client for a review. So you have seen how to generate an entire blog using real-time information. Now let's quickly look at how you can create an outline using these remaining options. Let's look at how we can create an outline using AI. Select this option and choose the language in which you want to create the blog. Then click on Create Outline and the outline will be created for you. The next option is to get an outline from Google search results. In this option, it will automatically fetch headings or outlines from the top ranking blogs on Google and hence create a much more refined blog for you. Let's see how it works with an example. Just enter your topic, select this option, and then also select the location as the Google search results varies according to your location. Click on Create Outline. You can see we have got 3 options to choose from. You can also click here to visit the article from which the outline has been extracted. Select the result you feel is the best. You can make changes to it if you want. Here you get an additional option to enable your competitors' insights. By doing this, AI will take the content from this article as a reference and build a more refined blog for you. The content is only taken as a reference, so you don't have to worry about plagiarism, as it will create a new blog for you. By choosing Get an Outline from Google search results, you can create a more refined blog that will help you rank higher on Google. The last option we have for outline generation is creating an outline using URL. You can use this option if you like any article and want to create a blog containing the similar information. This option can help you stand out from your competitor, as you are taking the structure of a competitor's blog as an inspiration and creating a quality-driven blog. Here, just enter your topic, select this option, copy the blog URL you like, and paste it here. Click on Create Outline. You will get an outline that is created by taking the reference from the URL. And that's it. This is how you can easily and efficiently create fully optimized, high-quality blogs in just few clicks. So go ahead and start creating blogs effortlessly with AI Blog Writer. Do share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to GravTRight for more such content creation tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.